Think innovation. Like I'm not hitting me. So the FYI Group in one sentence is think innovation. What does that mean, right? It means in every single thing that we do, I try to implement innovation. If you speak to the production team, I trouble them so much, where I'm like, what AI tools are you using? How are we making it quicker? How are we making it faster? How are we making it better? Are we enhancing it? Are we enhancing it better? So I think innovation for me plays like a massive part in the business, in any part of the business that we have at the FYI Group. It's innovation. And for me, innovation again means quicker, better, faster, with the same amazing results. So we don't compromise on the output. But I think the journey to get there can take a fewer steps, especially now when AI, machine learning is at the pace that it's growing at.